Yo, what's up, guys? Sequena here. New day, new opportunities. Yesterday we won big. Today I can see after the market hit our TP, it kept buying and went higher and higher and kept breaking lows. So we might be looking for buys today, but let me put my FIB and so I can get a revelation of something. Just give me a moment. Otherwise, guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I really want to grow this big and impact lives and show you guys how I analyze, how I look at the markets. So I won't give out my strategy, but I really hope this changes your lives. So diving deeper into my analysis, I can see a zone which it's my support zone basically. So I'm just gonna put this rectangle just to highlight my support zone. I can see there's a few rejections here. On the 1 minute time frame, I can see that we might have an opportunity to just refine our box, but our support zone but I'm interested to see how price is rejecting at the moment. So that's where my focus will be before anything else. So I'm just gonna place my FIB. Just give me a moment. And guys, since yesterday we had a big win, I'm not really being too ambitious today, because how I trade is that after a big win, I'm not expecting 2 big wins in a row. If it comes, it's just by God's grace. But yeah, I'm just gonna use minimal risk. So I can see using my FIB that the market is acting out actually. As I said, it's rejecting. So I'm just gonna put a line below this just to, if I enter, for it to act as where my stop loss would be. But I also want to see how many pips there is. So just give me a moment. Okay, how many pips? This is 76 pips. Okay, guys, this might be a wonderful entry for me. First entry of the day, using minimal risk, as I said. So yeah, just give me a moment to execute. Going back to the 3 minute time frame, I can see that the rejection is there. So guys, mind the message. Some of us have people we're dating, and I'm not gonna edit that out. Yeah, so just give me a moment to execute. Okay, I can see this. I'm just give me a moment to just place my tools. And also, as I said, guys, I'm not trading my funded account, I'm trading my live account at the moment, because I'm waiting for 2 payouts on both of my funded accounts. So I'm not trying to risk that, because I want to pay out. But anyway, yeah, just place an entry. As I said, I'm not trying to be too ambitious today, because yesterday we had a big win. So today I'm just taking it easy and going a bit less and less on risk. I have just placed my trade, but I can see that the market might move a bit lower, but I just want minimum on risk. I'm just gonna put an alert here, so that if it drops and I'm away from my devices, I can come back and monitor the price. So guys, price came, hit my alert, took us out. But like I said, I use minimal risk. Just give me a moment so I can just see what's happening. But I can see confirmation candles here, especially on this time frame, which is a bit solid for me. So I'm gonna take my trade again. And please, guys, don't judge me. That's how I trade. If you don't know, look at my previous videos. Yeah, you'll never make money if you're scared to risk. So this is my second trade, going minimal risk again. Yesterday was a big win. So today I'm not really expecting much, but my thing is I always have to be on the moving train. I don't want to be left out by the markets. So it took me out, but it came to the alert that I've set. So it's still an entry for me. guys, yeah, I'll update you guys on what's happening. So yeah, the stop loss is a couple of pips, and the risk to reward is 1:8. So still a beautiful trade.
A few moments later.
Guys, the trade took me out again, I know, don't say it, but I think I'm just going a bit too less on my risk, but it's because of the big win yesterday. I'm not trying to be ambitious, but it's still on my entry criteria, so I'm just gonna take my last trade. As you've seen on my videos, that I take 3 trades for each session. So if I lose 3 trades in a row for the London session, then I'm only gonna close my charts and come back on the New York session. There's the benefits of using proper risk to reward. So yeah, this is my last trade. I'm very hopeful on this trade, very hopeful, but I'll keep updating you guys to see how this one moves. I'm very hopeful. I don't think it's gonna take me out. Yo guys, trade update. So I can see that, okay, we have this low and the low on the right hand side, which shows us that we have some sort of a head and shoulder pattern. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this purple horizontal line and try to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, let me take my rectangle as well. Give me a moment. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, cool. Okay, so we see this, let me take arrows as well. So we see this, we see 2 touches, on this support level. So this level, it touched, on this right hand side and also on the left hand side, showing us that this is a really strong level of support or interest, so which validates my trade as well. So if I take a loss on this trade, I'm done for the London session, but I'm hopeful. That's how you have to be on each and every trade. So yeah, see you on the next update, guys. Trade is in profits, guys, so all we have to do now is just manage it well and not be too ambitious. Back again, guys. So we have some sort of a retest. So I'm just gonna take my FIB and place it there to see on what level actually the price is actually rejecting on. So just give me a moment. Okay, but I'm also going to move my stop to that purple line. Guys, now we are back, but now is the New York session, late New York session. So anticipating a buy because the market has been dropping. So, and I'm seeing reversal patterns. So I'm currently waiting for my candlestick confirmations. Let me put my FIB. This is where we are at the moment, anticipating the market to skyrocket.
A few moments later.
Big, guys. It's just funny how it's really not a mystery, it's really not a mystery, because if you show up, you will win. If you show up and you trust your strategy, you will win eventually. Trust me, guys. I mean, that's what I'm trying to show you guys in this channel. We lost 3 trades in the London session. First trade took us out in a span of 15 minutes. Second trade in a span of an hour. Third trade consolidated with us for hours and hours and hours and hours, going into profits, break even into profits, until we set our stop loss break even before CPI. Then it took us out. Then I decided to show up now, which is late US session, and I've recovered all my losses that I've lost in the London session, and I'm in profits actually.